Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to share audio files from Android. If you're using an Android phone and you want to share audio files, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open My Files app and here just tap on audio files to get audio files in your phone. Here's that. You must have to keep a long press on it and then tap on the share icon, and here you will get different share options. Here are some contacts, the WhatsApp, message or in Messenger. Here's quick share. You can easily use these apps to share your audio file. Here's Messenger, WhatsApp, Messages, Gmail, Drive, Bluetooth, OneDrive or Samsung Notes. I'm going to use Bluetooth to share this file. Here you must have to turn on your Bluetooth device, and here you have to connect with any device in which you want to share on Bluetooth. It will search for nearby devices. You must have to tap on the device with which you want to share the file, and in this way you can easily share audio files from your Android phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.